everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and you guys just came across this video, make sure you guys subscribe down below to join the family. In today's video, I have a special guest here with me.
My name is Hunter.
Hunter, he just started a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
He has like 10 subscribers, so,
please,
this is going to be a collab video all about college. So if you guys want to check out his channel, he's going to be doing a bunch of like lifestyle videos and college videos and health videos and fitness and vlogs. So make sure you guys subscribe to his channel down below because he's super cool. And in today's video, I know a lot of you guys are going to be going into your freshman year of college. So we kind of wanted to do like a college advice video, like small schools, because I go to URI, which is around like 16,000 kids, and he's going to be a sophomore at Penn State.
We have like close to 45,000 kids.
So like, both of our campuses are so different, and we just thought it'd be really fun to just choose a bunch of different topics, and we're going to be doing like one part on my channel and one part on his.
Yep.
So to check out part 2, click on his face.
Yes, on my face.
Right here.
Please.
But make sure you guys watch this video first, and if you came from Hunter's channel, make sure to subscribe. And yes, so we're going to get started. And our first topic we're going to be talking about is housing / dorm life. If you want to go first.
Yeah, so my freshman year I lived in just a traditional double in like the freshman dorming area, and basically we get like the really crappy old dorms. So yeah, there was no AC, so it got really hot in the summer. And the heating was like meh at best. So in the winter it would always be freezing, and you really couldn't win with like temperature.
Yeah, and I lived in a triple my freshman year, my first semester, and then second semester I lived in a double because one of my roommates moved out. But yeah, I lived in like the slums, it was called. We had like cockroaches and like mice and stuff, which wasn't fun. But the one perk about it was in my building, which I don't even think is an option for housing anymore because it was so disgusting, but we had like our own suite bathrooms, so I didn't have to deal with communal bathrooms, which was really nice.
Yeah,
So it was like 4 girls to like 1 bathroom.
That's
but
nice.
You had to keep it clean, but like it was fine.
I did have to deal with communal bathrooms, and when you live, I lived on like an all boys floor, so the bathroom was pretty nasty, especially like after like Saturday nights, Friday nights. So just be mindful of that. You're definitely gonna want shoes to wear.
Oh yeah, bring your shower shoes. Like not kidding. Even if like you know your suite mates and your roommates, like it's still disgusting because we had pink mold on like our shower rim.
That's pretty nasty.
Like, black mold.
Nice.
Disgusting.
That's great.
And then like I lived in a like business LLC, so everyone in my building was a business major.
What's an LLC?
It's a living learning community.
Yeah.
So all of like the business, all of the business majors, they either lived in Fairweather or Gorham, and they were right next to each other. So we had a bunch of study rooms. So say if I was doing a business math project and you would just scream like, hey, is anyone in like business 111 with like Josh Gilmore? There's probably 10 people in the study room in the same class as you, so you could just like help each other out. Right. Which was really nice. And like I was in a bunch of classes with my roommates and like my suite mates, which was really nice.
I basically had literally the opposite of that.
Well, all freshmen are like required to live in the LLCs at URI, so it was nice.
I was the only one in my major on my floor. Like we met everybody on the first day, so I was the only advertising major. Everyone else was engineering, sciences. So I never really studied with anybody on my floor, but we had study rooms on our floor. But going to a big school, the floors get pretty noisy because we had, I think, 50 or 60 kids just on my floor alone, not counting the floors above and below in a 7-floor building. So you're definitely going to want to invest in like a good pair of headphones for studying, especially if you study in your dorm.
Yeah. And make sure when you guys are like putting stuff in the microwave, like we had fire alarms at like 5 a.m. for people like not adding water to like microwavable mac and cheese.
Or they would like burn breakfast burrito.
Or like burn popcorn, which is like, no one wants to wake up at 4 in the morning when they have an 8 a.m.
Yeah,
like,
and it smells bad. It just smells like burnt popcorn for the rest of the day.
So I think that's pretty much it for housing.
Yeah.
Just like make sure you guys set like a schedule with your roommates and suite mates and everything. Roommate agreements are really important. Make sure you guys are on like the same schedule for classes. Yeah. Have the same interests.
At a big school in general are just going to be noisy because everybody's on different schedules. You'll have people waking up at 8 a.m., people not waking up till 1 p.m. So I would just say definitely be mindful of that for yourself and for other people. Don't wake up other people, and also
oh my God.
don't be angry if you don't wake up.
If you wake me up and I don't have class till like 12 and you're waking me up at 7, like,
yeah,
that's not
it's not fun.
Okay, so our second topic is getting around. My campus is really small compared to his. Like, you have to probably take like buses or whatever to class. Like, we didn't have to do that. Unless you're like taking a bus to like the parking lot on the other side of campus.
So for at least at Penn State, we have a bus system that goes around the whole campus. I personally never took it to class. I know a lot of people did, who on rainy days and days when it snowed, they would take the bus like down the street. But just the bus is always like packed to the brim. Like there's usually they don't even let people on just because there's so many people on it. So I would say I personally don't recommend the bus, especially on big campus. Like, I think the furthest I ever walked was maybe a 15-minute walk, and that's not even bad considering that, like, so I know people who have to walk even further than that.
Yeah, see, I would have at 8 a.m. from my dorm, which was all the way on the bottom of campus, to like the top of campus. Which hard. Like, I would never go.
Yeah,
Sorry, Mom.
Yeah, you have to when you're scheduling your classes, it's important to look at which buildings your classes are in, so you're not scheduling, like, you don't want to go from the east side of campus all the way to the west side of campus and try to make it there in 15 minutes.
It's not, like,
you'll be late
no matter, like, if you're running, it's not
you'll be late. The only time I ever really took the bus was when I was going downtown, per se. I mean, I know it's hard without, like, to visualize what the campus looks like if you've never been there, but other than that, I never really took the bus to class, even though it is a really big campus. Yeah,
you don't, like, need to take the bus around URI. It's so small, and there's, like, 3 different tiers. There's, like, the dorms, and then, like, the dining halls, and, like, the gym, and then, like, all of the classes. So, like, if you're going from one class to the other, it's literally going to be, like, 2 buildings down. So, like, it's not bad. But, like, I know my friends that, like, lived in their sorority houses or frat houses in frat circle, they would take, like, their buses to their classes because it's so far, or like the bus to the library, but that's pretty much it. You don't need a bus.
You don't.
But like definitely bring a car because
instead of taking a bus, I would say, even though the buses are free, I would say get a good pair of sneakers.
Our buses are $2.
Or a pair of boots. See, our buses are $2 if you want to go off campus to like Walmart, which is like 2 miles away. It's the only place you can go grocery shopping, realistically. So that sucks. So if you need a car, like, you're not allowed to have one your freshman year, but if you want to bring one sophomore, junior, senior year, it's definitely an option. Like, I wanted to bring mine, but I can't.
Yeah, I'm bringing mine in the fall. I didn't bring freshman year, and I wanted to so bad because everything's like 15 minutes off campus. Like, there's a Chick-fil-A 15 minutes off campus that I couldn't go.
We have a Chick-fil-A on campus.
Okay. We literally have nothing on campus. It's all like pizza places and like calzone places. Like nothing like name brand. We had a Starbucks, but they took it down. Downgraded to Pete's
We also
Coffee.
have a Starbucks on campus.
Okay, we have a Dunkin' Donuts.
We just got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
See?
No, but they have like an entire
Starbucks,
downtown.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. So if you want that, go to Penn State. If you don't want that, go to
if you want to eat Chick-fil-A for every meal, go to Penn State.
No, I would do anything for like Chick-fil-A breakfast every day. Campus events and school spirit. My school, we literally do not do anything for football games, which is like the complete opposite. Like, we don't do tailgates.
Football's the biggest thing in the fall.
Yeah, we don't do tailgates. Like, we're not allowed to because URI is a dry campus.
So is Penn State. Pretty much every campus you go to is going to be dry.
It's going to be dry, but like, is it really dry? Like, no.
Scandalous.
But like, we're pretty big on basketball. URI is pretty good at basketball, I'm just saying. Like, Rhode Ruckus, school spirit. What else?
Yeah.
Like campus events, we have a club called like the URI Student Entertainment Committee, and they put together like a bunch of concerts. Like we had Migos come, Post Malone, Lil Wayne. Rich the Kids coming in the fall.
Dang.
Yeah.
I don't listen to any of those people.
Okay, well, URI, we get ratchet over there, so.
Yeah,
we were
wow.
like Migos.
Clearly.
Khalid came in the spring. It was really good.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
So Penn State is like basically the epitome of school spirit.
Yeah, they're like football games. Holy shit!
Yeah,
I want to go so bad.
At the Michigan whiteout game last year, there was over 100,000 people in the stadium. So
that's crazy. We don't even have like a legit football stadium.
Yeah, see, Beaver Stadium. Football games are huge in the fall. Like every time there's a football game, like there's always stuff to do. There's always tailgates to go to.
And that's like if you're looking for a school with a lot of school spirit, look into a school like Penn State.
Yeah, or any of the other schools.
like,
with a good football team.
Like,
They have
so it's like it's something to do every weekend with your friends.
I know people who don't even study abroad until the spring just so they'll be here for football.
Yeah, and that's
so
crazy.
Another thing we do is we do thon, which a lot of people have.
Yeah, we have that too, Rhode thon.
Yeah, a lot of that's like a really big thing at Penn State because we have the Bryce Jordan Center, which is also our basketball stadium, I guess you would call it. And that, like, I know like a lot of organizations and a lot of clubs go and they all kind of advertise their letters for the frats and sororities. And I'm not in Greek life, but
neither am I. But
my organization
join
did do
in the
thon.
fall.
Penn State definitely has a lot of school spirit. There's always people wearing Penn State T-shirts.
Like I literally wear this shirt.
Like everybody just, I mean, everybody just loves it there. I get it. I mean,
I get it.
As far as concerts go, since we have the Bryce Jordan Center, which is a legit concert venue, they'll have bands and music groups that actually perform there, which isn't technically Penn State. It's not like through Penn State, but like I know in the fall there is like Elton John's coming. They had they had a bunch of people, and then the other concerts at Thon we had Mr. Wise. I don't know if you know them, but they performed at Thon. Yeah. That was cool because I was like felt like there was the only person in the whole stadium who like knew. I was like, yeah, right. And then we also have a free concert every year, and this year we had Logic come, but it got rained out.
Oh, I was like,
so he performed at like a bunch of bars in State College. The one band I did get to see at the free concert was Judah and the Lion. They're also not super popular, but they're cool. They're not my favorite. But they're cool.
They're cool. No, we had Travis Scott at URI. That was
dang.
Yeah. So the last topic we're going to be talking about on my channel is just a little bit about campus safety. So at URI we have the blue light system. So if you're like walking around at night and you don't feel safe or like something happened, God forbid, you just hit the blue light and then the campus safety like come in, I think like 15 to 30 seconds, and then they'll call the Narragansett Police, which is the closest police station to us, or the Kingston Police, I'm not sure. But we also, say if you're at the library and you're leaving at like 2 a.m., you can call this number, I forget what the number is, but I have it saved in my phone, and you get like escorted from the library to your dorm. Wow. Which is nice, because personally, as a girl, I wouldn't feel comfortable walking at 2 a.m. from the top of campus all the way back to my dorm by myself.
See, I'm not like the best person to ask about this, just because I've never really had an experience with feeling unsafe on campus. I know there's the blue light system. I'm not sure about like the escort system, even though I'm sure there's something similar, especially on such a large campus.
Yeah.
I have never felt unsafe on campus.
Yeah, I've never felt unsafe either. Like, it's good to have, just in case.
The only time I would say I've ever felt like mildly unsafe is walking around downtown at night. Never on campus I felt unsafe, but I can understand like why people would.
Yeah.
At Penn State, I know they always notify you every time an assault or something happens, so that way you can kind of be more aware in that area of campus. They just make sure that like you're always with people, or you know where you're going if you can.
Yeah.
Someone knows where you are, like you're texting somebody, calling somebody, especially when you're walking around at night.
Yeah.
I would say those are precautions to take if you ever feel unsafe.
Yeah. And like share your location with your friends.
Yeah, for sure.
Like my roommates and I, we did that on like the first day of school, just in case like God forbid something happened to me or like one of my roommates, I like knew where they ended up last.
Right.
So like I could go find them.
Yeah.
I think that's it for my video.
Okay.
So we're gonna have part 2 linked down below. That's gonna be on Hunter's channel.
We're gonna be talking about like classes, making friends, and like dining hall, food stuff.
All about eating healthy.
Like
so if you guys want to check him out, part 2 is on his channel. Click on his face again.
My face.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see like more collabs and college videos, make sure to comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and obviously subscribe.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.